how to create polyline. Go to the drop panel, select this polyline, then go to the command line. You can see here polyline is active. Specify start point, click any location, then go to the status bar. You can see here ortho mode is on. Now I can create line horizontal or vertical like this. I just go to here, switch off this ortho mode. I can create line any direction. Press escape key. I go to the normal line tool, select this one. I create here few line like this. Press escape key. Now I go to here polyline. I select this polyline. Once I select this line, the complete object will select. Now I go to the normal line. This one we created using normal line tool. I select this line only selected. Here I select this one, the complete object selected. Here I select this one, this line only selected. Because polyline, it is connected line. Normal line, it is single line. This is the main difference between polyline and normal line. Select this one, delete it. I go to the polyline again, click any location, then go to here command line. You can see few option: arc, half length, length, undo and width. I just go to here, switch on this ortho mode. Then I create here 125 line. Then I create here arc. I select here arc. Click this arc. I just make it here 50. Press enter. Then I go to here line 125. Press enter. Then I select here arc. Click here. Press escape key. You can see here this one we created using polyline. We created two lines and two arc. Then I go to the polyline, click any location. I select here width. Select this width. It will ask you specify starting width. I just make it here 0. Press enter. Specify ending width. I just make it here 10. Press enter. You can see here this polyline. Now I click this location, press escape key. Starting with I given 0, ending with you can see here 10. Again I go to the polyline. Now I create line. You will get it this ending width. This one width is 10 mm. Press escape key. I just go to the polyline. If I click here, you can see you will get it this same width. But we need to go back to normal line, normal polyline. Go to the polyline, click any location, select here width, make it 0, press enter, again 0, press enter. Now we can create normal polyline. Again I go to the polyline, click any location, I select here width, I just make it starting with 0, ending with I just make it 20, press enter. I just place it this one for 25, press enter. Then I go to here width, I just make it starting with 10, ending with also 10, press enter. Now you can create like this arrow. Press escape key, you can see here. Again I go to the polyline, click here, you will get it exactly this width. Go to the width, make it 0, press enter, again press enter. Now we can create like this normal polyline. Press escape key, I go to the polyline again, click any location, I just click here, click here. I want to go back to this point. For that, you can select here undo. Click undo, it will go back one step. Or you can type U in your keyboard, press enter, it will go back one step. Or press Ctrl Z in your keyboard. In keyboard, you can press Ctrl and Z, you can go back one step. Press Ctrl Z, you can go back one step. Next, you can see here half width. Select this half width. I just make here 10. Press enter. Starting with, ending with also 10. Press enter. You can create like this line. Press enter. You can see here. Again, I go to the polyline. Now also you will get it like this half width. Just go to the width or half width. Make it 0. Press enter. 0. Press enter. Now you can create normal polyline. Again, I go to the polyline. Click here. Make it like this. If you want to close with start point, you can go to here, click this location, or go to the polyline, make it like this. Select here close. Click this close. You can close with start point, or you can type here C, then press enter, it will close with start point. Again, I go to the polyline, click any location. I just make it like this. Then I select this line, go near to this grip, click this grip. You can make changes in this location. I go to this grip again. You will get it here few option. One is just go near to this. You will get it this option. Click this stretch vertex. You can place it any location. You can give the value also. I just make here 50. Then press enter. It will move from that location 50. I just go near to this stretch. Make it this side also 50. Press enter. You can see it is move from this location. It is 50. I just go to here, linear, click here, click here. You can see the dimension, it is moved 50 mm. Select this one, delete it. Select this one, go near to the grip. You can select here, add vertex. If you want, you can add vertex also. I just go near to this. I select here, add vertex. You can see here this location, I added vertex. Just go near to this. Select here, add vertex. You can add vertex like this. Or if you want to remove the vertex, just go near to this. Select here, remove vertex. Just go near to this, remove vertex. Similar way you can, if you don't want any vertex, you can remove the vertex also. Or if you want to add vertex, just go here, add vertex. Any location you can add vertex. Just go near to this, select here stretch, you can stretch that point also. So this is the way you can create polyline in AutoCAD.